Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a white and brown cut crease kind of deal. I haven't seen someone do a look like this in a while, and I haven't done one in a while, so I thought, heck, why not sit down? I'm going to go clean a house, so I'm going to go in full makeup, which is very rare, but I just wanted to do my makeup. So I already filled in my eyebrows a little bit, and now I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. I have been using this for a few weeks, and I really do like it. I'm trying to switch it up because if you guys have seen my other videos, I'm always using the NARS, I always forget what it's called, complexion concealer in the shade Light, and I do enjoy that, but just trying something different. Alright, excuse me, my nose is kind of running a bit. Plus, trying to stay hydrated. I had all my stuff set over here on the other side of my makeup desk because I was going to do my makeup over there, and the lighting just wasn't working out, so we're going to do it over here. Alright, did I pull out the color that I wanted to use? I don't think that I did. Let me double check. I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to go in with, am I going to go in with that shade? Probably not. Okay, I'm going to go in with this brownie kind of taupe shade all over my lid. This is a ColourPop shadow, and I just want to set that primer. This is a bit darker than I was anticipating, but that's totally okay. I'm going to try to make this video short but sweet. I miss doing my mini makeup tutorials where I just put music on and I speed through. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the mini makeup tutorials where I just put music on, or if you like me talking through it like I am. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade. We're going to be using mainly Give Me Glow palettes. Give Me Glow shades. Eyeshadows. That's how you say it. This one is Give Me Glow in Skinny Dip. It's not really showing the color, there you go, like true to color on camera. I guess this is a little bit of the same color, but more of like a camely brown. But I'm going to stick it in the crease. Y'all know me, I'm not one to sit here and do a crazy eyeshadow look. I'm the type of person where I don't mind my eyeshadow looking not messy, but like I blend, but it doesn't have to be perfectly blended. Some of these girls I see on here, I try to use the same brushes as them, the same eyeshadow as them, do their blending techniques and stuff, and my shadow just does not come out like theirs. So I do what I just normally do, and I go with it. I used to do eyeshadow really, really good. And I don't know, I think in the last year, I lost my groove a little bit. So I'm going to go in with, again, Give Me Glow. This one is That's So Taupe. It's more of a deeper brown. I'm going to go ahead and pack that right here. I am aware I do need to pluck like underneath my eyebrows. So I'm going to list of things to do within the next few days for sure. Okay, blend this Let me know y'all's favorite eyeshadow primer down below. Because, like I said, I usually use a concealer. But I'm trying to switch it up. So if you have a favorite eyeshadow primer, let me know. I don't have issues with creasing at all on my lids because I don't have oily lids. So I'm lucky enough not to have to deal with that. So there's that. I know it looks a little bit crazy. I do at times though, and I think it's just my lids because whatever primer I use, I get a little creasing right here and then like right up in here. So it's just bound to happen. So I'm going to apply this to the other side and then we'll add the next color. Be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that NARS concealer, and I want to have a little more of a base down for that. Actually, you know what? We're not going to do that. We're just going to go easy. We're just going to apply this shade. I'm going to do the Give Me Glow highlight in, it's just called Highlight. And look how stunning that is. I'm going to apply this with my finger. I have yet to use this, so I'm really excited to. Love it. Guess I'll call this like an easy. You'll see I'm going to bring over that brown a bit more. So I'll just call this a easy cut crease look. I need to start using this color as a highlight because it's gorgeous. I love Give Me Glow shadows. Had a few of y'all recommend them or say that I should pick up more, and I took your advice and I did it. So I'm then going to go in with probably go back in with this brush right here and lightly use that. What I have left with that brown, and then just blend that out and mesh these colors together. I'm going to have to add a bit more brown to the brush. Pack it back on. Got to grab that in my hand. Maybe I will add, I'm going to grab a smaller brush, a really pointy brush, add that brown, make sure I don't add too much, and then kind of draw a line. There we go, and then watch, I'll show you guys. And grab this brush again, and really just blend that. Oh, so lightly so I don't mess it up too much. I know it's looking a bit crazy. I'm using the front of my camera so I can like make sure I'm focused and stuff. So I'll turn the camera around and show you guys more of an up close. So I'm going to stop there. I'm going to add a little bit more of that highlight shade because I took some of it away right here. And then go back in with this one. Okay, blending obviously is not going to be perfect on this look, but I call it easy, messy cut crease. So I am definitely going to do some, I don't think I'm going to do black liner because I think that'll be too much, but I'm going to do some brown eyeliner on the waterline and stuff, and I'll be back. While I sharpen this, like I was saying, I've been really liking brown eyeliners lately, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I don't wear eyeliner much because as I've gotten older, my eyes have been pretty dang sensitive, which, speaking of that, I forgot to put eye drops in this morning. So I'm going to do that before I apply any eyeliner, just because I don't want my eyes burning. I'm going to use this right here. It's like the cooling eye drops, and it makes your whites of your eyes pretty dang white. But yeah, as I've gotten older, I mean, obviously I've gotten allergies and stuff, and when I was a teenager, I was able to wear eyeliner on my waterline, and I used to wear all different colors, and now I can't do that because it just bothered my eyes. It makes me feel so tired, and my eyes like super heavy throughout the day. So when I posted on Instagram that I can't wear much eyeliner, there was someone, I need to look back on the post, who recommended the Almay eyeliners because they're hypoallergenic. And I don't know why other brands don't have liners that are hypoallergenic like Almay, but this is the only liner that does not bother my eyes. And they only have the brown and the black that I've seen. I've like looked up to see if they have other colors, and I can't find them. I'm gonna like look it up again, but I really don't think that they have other colors. I wish they did, because I would get every single color of it, since I have other very pretty colored liners from other brands, but I can only wear them on the top of my eyelid. And I don't know any other brand that's hypoallergenic. So I'm just going to put this on the actual waterline. See how that just like glided on, and that just like made my eyes pop a bit more. I'm going to put it on this side, and then I'm going to curl my lashes, and then apply mascara to my top lashes, and then I'm going to do some foundation. I am going to be trying out the new Huda Beauty stick foundation today, and I'm going to do a full wear test on that. I've heard good things about it. But the mascara I'm going to just use is the Essence Lash Princess, and then this look will be complete. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of the brown shadow that I use up here, like underneath my eyes, once I'm done doing my makeup, and I'll come back on and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so here are what my eyes look like finished. I keep looking in the mirror. I really love these colors together. And again, like I said, I don't blend it to where it looks perfect. I just do what I want to do, obviously. So, and I do like that espresso eyeliner, and that mascara is one of my favorites.